waking up to freshly made baleadas in Honduras, sampling the best cuts of meat in Argentina, seeing red bananas for the first time in Tanzania, being served hummus in Lebanon, fine dining in Australia, tasting succulent clams in Thailand, trying for the first time meatballs in Estonia, and finally enjoying the fresh catch of the day at Pike Place Market in the USA. As you can see, we just went around the world on 8 plates. Nowadays though, doing this in real life can be difficult, costly, and even dangerous to our health. Luckily, you have arrived at the right place. Here, on Around the World on 8 Plates, we channel your inner explorer and your inner chef. Each episode features an introduction section, postcard information on the country being featured, a step-by-step video recipe, special guest appearances by people coming from the countries being featured, a written recipe, and finally, for EFL and ESL students, there's even a TOEIC practice section where there are TOEIC type questions, an answer key, and full explanation. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, get on a flight, and let's go around the world on 8 plates. Hello everyone, and welcome to Around the World on 8 Plates. On each episode, we will explore the world country by country. We will learn about the culture of that country and meet someone coming from the country being featured. But most importantly, we will learn how to cook a signature dish from that country. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, get on plane, and let's go around the world on 8 plates. I have 4 questions for you. Are you sick of ordering or cooking the same food every single day? Want to know how to cook a certain dish that is a specialty in a country that is miles away from your own kitchen? Keen to know where to buy hard-to-find ingredients in your own city? And most importantly, are you interested in learning about cultures and countries through food? If the answer to the 4 questions is a resounding yes, then this channel is for you. If you're an EFL or ESL student, this channel can help you as well. On each episode, after the written recipe section, there will be several listening and reading test questions patterned against a TOEIC. We will also provide you all the answers and a full explanation. After every 8 episodes, there will be a complete listening and reading TOEIC mock test. So remember, learning English is not just about learning how to read, write, listen, and speak. It's also about learning different countries from around the world and learning to understand different accents so that you can communicate more effectively.